Hey, are you having trouble drawing sort of a walk, front ways walk, someone's walking toward you and making it look like they're really coming toward you? Well, I'd like to show you how to do that. I'll give you a very basic mannequin type guy and we can work out the dynamics and the details, and I think you'll be able to get it. So let's start here. We're going to just first get our guy here like this. And we'll get the first, before we make him walk, really, we will just kind of get the body language going. So he's curving on one side. This is the leg that is pushing him forward. Right, like that. And this leg, here's the bent knee, and here is the bent calf. See, the calf is coming down this way, and you notice that the foot's pointed forward and everything is diminishing this way. Now let me just get some arms and legs in this guy, so we have that. That's the hips right here. Now this isn't diminishing, it's going straight down. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring this knee down, and this knee is up, and we start to show this go back. And we put a little shadow under here. So this foot looks like it's out forward, and this is definitely looking like it's coming back. This side with a straight leg is bent, and this side with a bent leg is straighter. So that will show that the action is different for each side. Bring the spine this way, and we should bring this knee down a little bit. Bring a little shoulder muscles, arm muscles. You know, also, if you want, you could bring the foot just slightly to the side. Still, that's the center line for the foot right there. Remember, this is the curve in for the arch. This is straighter on this side. So we keep the integrity of the leg. And here is the angle of the head. Well, I hope that was helpful. It gives you an idea how to diminish this or foreshorten it going away rather than toward you. And I hope that was good. I'll come up with another one for you next week. I hope you'll come back and see some more. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.